Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Pioneer X. And this is one of the 93mm Swiss Army knives that has the Alox handles, or the Alox scales. And let's open this thing up and take a look at it. And see how it looks. Alright. So, first of all, I gotta say, I like the just general look of it. It kind of looks like clean and neat and tight. I don't know if I like the Alox enough to give up my scale tools. I kind of wonder. I wish they could figure out a way to give us Alox scales and still have scale tools. I wonder if that's possible. Seems like it should be. Anyway, let's take a look at this knife and see what we got. So first of all, there's no back tools on this. So no corkscrew, none of that stuff. And on the front side, we've got the traditional can opener and a little bitty flathead screwdriver. We've got the bottle opener, larger flathead screwdriver, and stupid little wire stripper nub. We've got the large blade, and I gotta say, that blade looks a little bit larger. Let's compare real quick. So this one is my Saber Tool Light, and this one is the 84mm. So it's a little bigger. There's a little bit of a difference. It's not bad. It's kind of weird, but 2mm actually does make a noticeable difference. And then we've got this contraption here. This looks like something I would super cut myself with. Alright, and we got scissors. You know, it seems weird, but these scissors seem backwards. It is really weird, but I mean, maybe it's just an illusion or something, but they seem so much larger. Does this one have scissors on it? No, it doesn't. I got my Saber tool again. But like, let's compare the scissors. I mean, like, they look bigger. And I'm pretty sure they're bigger. Yeah, they're a little bigger. That doesn't help compare them at all, does it? Huh. Anyway, I don't know. It's just kind of interesting. It seems like that little tiny bit of difference does matter. I like the feel of this, and this is kind of a... It's sort of weird, but this particular knife and like the Pioneer, they feel more like pocket knives than Swiss Army knives, if that makes any kind of sense. I mean, like, maybe it's just the general feel of them, but, and like no scale tools, which is kind of sad, but I don't know. I like the Alox. I like the Alox a lot. I just want my scale tools as well. I wonder if they could do that. It seems like they should be able to. What do y'all think? Is there a reason they don't do the scale tools? Actually, looking at this, it looks like the scale is, like, the scale itself is bolted on directly. So with a traditional Swiss Army knife, there's a flat metal panel Hopefully y'all can see that. There's a flat metal panel, and the scales attached to the flat metal panel. And with the Alox, it looks like they don't have the panel. It's just basically a piece of aluminum bolted in place of that metal panel. And the scale tools slide in between the metal panel and the actual scale. Okay. I never actually thought about that, but I guess it makes sense. Anyway, I still want my scale tools and my Alox. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.